Hi loves, how are you? So this look that I have done today, it's my Raye Raye palette, and I used this whole palette for this whole look. So this is how the palette looks, and I use that as a transition color. Then I deepened my crease with that. Then I went in with the matte brown, and then I put the shimmer on top. These lashes that I am rocking, these are Ardell Wispies. And this lippy that I have on, this is actually, it's my Raye Raye nude lippy. This is the liquid lipstick, and I just lined it with a liner. So you guys, how do you like this face of the night? This is how everything is looking. This hair, this gorgeous hair, this is Bougie Chicks Hair Company. If you don't know what Bougie Chicks Hair Company is, it is my company, you guys. This is my raw Cambodian straight texture. I just wand curled it. It's also been bleached twice. And yeah, this is the look that I'm rocking.